Hi, my name is Dr. Kamal Inamdar. I do have a degree in engineering, a master's degree in business administration, and also a doctorate degree from the School of Education, University of Pepperdine. I have been teaching project management for at least 10 years. I have a full-time job in aerospace companies. Besides project management, I teach operations management, I teach operations research, I teach classes in human resource management at California State University in Dominguez Hills and also in Los Angeles. I started teaching at Cal State Dominguez Hills in 2010. The reason I teach at Cal State Dominguez Hills, the campus staff, the school administration, extension program administration, wonderful, wonderful people to work with. They always respond to questions students have, always respond to my calls, and it's also a pleasure to work with some place that I can go there every Saturday morning and have fun. So Calcio Dominguez is a place for convenience, also a place of a good cost, and also the quality of teaching I have seen that really helps me and my students to continue to get their education from here. So these are three things: engagement, sharing of the knowledge, and also preparing for the exams at the same time.